Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again, and today we are going to discuss how we can install Oracle VirtualBox in our Windows system and how to install Linux within Oracle VirtualBox. You see, the purpose of this is that sometimes we need to work on a Linux environment, maybe for educational purpose or any other programming language purposes. But it is not always possible or feasible to install Linux in our desktop, because it is already running in Windows, and replacing Windows with Linux is not a very good option always. And what we can also do is to install Linux and Windows side by side, but that has their own problem. So the best option is to install VirtualBox and install Linux within that. But the process I will describe in this video, and which is very simple. You just need to follow me in the entire video and I will guide you step by step how to do that. So first we need to go to our browser and open Oracle VirtualBox site. Then go to Oracle VirtualBox site and download Oracle VirtualBox for Windows host. Just clicking on the link will download the file, but I have already downloaded it and it is in my desktop folder. Here it is. In the desktop I have the installation file for Oracle VirtualBox. So I will just download it from here. You just need to click next, and it's a default settings. You can download it. Sorry, you can install it with all the default settings. So now it is installed, and now what we need to do is to download Linux distribution. I prefer CENTOS distribution, so I will go to CENTOS site. You can download any other distribution as you want. So to download CENTOS, we need to go to CENTOS site and click on the link, and these all are the mirrors of the CENTOS 7. You can download it from any one of the mirrors. So just clicking on it will download it, and I have already downloaded it, so I will show you. Here it is. My CENTOS is stored in my download folder, so I don't need to download it once again, but if you want to download, you can download it from the site. So we have the ISO, we have the VirtualBox, and now we will start the VirtualBox. So the VirtualBox is open, and now we need to create a new virtual machine. So we need to click on new and give a name to the virtual machine. Let's say CENTOS. Next, the default RAM size is 1 GB. I will prefer 2 GB of RAM. Next, and whatever is default, just go with it. It is 8 GB of hard disk space, which is fair enough for testing purpose. And yeah, that's it. So the virtual machine has been created, and now we need to install CENTOS within this virtual machine. So what we need to do, just to double click on it, it will open, the virtual machine will start, and now we need to locate the CENTOS file. Here the file is, and we need to open it and start. So install CENTOS OS, install CENTOS 7, you need to select, and the installation has been started. Click next, select a date time region. I will prefer India. Done, and installation source, local installation, software. I will prefer Genome Desktop, so I will select that. You may choose any other option if you want. There are a lot of options available here. You can choose any of them. And now we will go for installation destination, but it is working in the background, so we need to wait. Okay, now the installation destination, select the default one, and done. So now we can begin the installation, and don't forget to put your root password, whatever you prefer. If it is too weak, then you need to press the done key twice. Okay, this is done. So now the installation has begun and we need to wait. Okay, now it is over. Now we need to reboot the virtual machine. So it is rebooting. Rebooting is done. The VM will open once again. We need to accept the license agreement from here, and that's it. The configuration is now finished. So here is the CENTOS desktop and the language is English. Next, typing is English US. Next, privacy, whatever you choose, on and off. And for time zone, I will prefer Kolkata, India. Kolkata, India. Next, and I will just skip it for now. We need to put a name here. I will put my name. Next, and set a password for my profile, for my user. The password should meet minimum password complexity, otherwise it will not allow. And next, and it's done. We'll just close it. Just open the terminal and test a few commands to check whether the installation is proper or not. It is obviously proper, just to cross check it. So we will just type pwd for current working directory or df-h to see the spaces in the storages. So it is working, and that's it. So installation is complete. Now you can shut down the virtual machine and power off. Alright friends, so as you have seen that the process is very simple and you can try it at home. It's extremely easy, and if you face any problem, just put a comment in my comment box of the video and I will definitely try to help you out. So if you like this video, please like and comment on my video and share my video. And if you like this channel, please don't forget to subscribe it. So that's all for today, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.